Maria claims that any fraction located between 1/5 and 1/7 on a number line must have a denominator of 6. Enter a fraction that shows Maria's claim is incorrect. So we have to find a fraction that is between these two that doesn't have a denominator of 6. Okay. I'm just going to write down the two fractions they give us. These would be between 1/5 and 1/7. And just stay with me on this. I'm going to keep both of these fractions the same by multiplying a number by the top and the bottom. The value of the fraction is going to be unchanged, but it's going to allow us to do some useful things. So just stay with me on this, and I think the process will become clear. So I'm going to convert this fraction to have a denominator of, let's say, 35. I'm going to do that by multiplying by 7, multiplying by 7. So this is going to become 1 times 7 is 7, 5 times 7 is 35. So I've converted 1/5 into this new fraction that's just scaled up 7 over 35, but it's still equal to 1/5. I could just divide by 7, take it back down to 1/5. Okay, now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to also multiply this by a number such that I can get 35 on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply by 5, multiply by 5. Now I have 5 over 35. Now it may start to become clear why I did these things. What I was aiming to do was kind of just scale up both of these fractions so that the distance between the two of them kind of becomes a little more clear, right? So now I can have differences in the numerator between the two, right? Because I started out with just 1/5 and 1/7. But now I've got some clear space. I got 7 over 35 and I've got 5 over 35. So what's in between that? 6 over 35. Okay, so just by scaling these up, I just kind of gave myself a little more room to find a number in between them. So this number is indeed between 1/5 and 1/7, and there is no 6 in the denominator. So this shows that that claim is incorrect.